Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a stock a lot of people are buying right now, but I'm here to show you why that might be a big mistake. Let's jump straight into it. AMD is one of the most talked about AI stocks right now. Everyone's buying it, everyone's hyping it, and expectations are sky high. But today, I'm showing you the other side, the part most investors are ignoring, and why this might be the worst time to buy AMD. On the surface, AMD looks unstoppable. They're competing in AI, launching new chips, and fighting NVIDIA head-on. But the reality is very different. The hype is huge, but the fundamentals don't line up with the price anymore. And that gap is exactly where the danger lies. When you look at the numbers, things start to change. Revenue growth is slowing, margins are under pressure, and earnings guidance has been weaker than expected. Yet the stock keeps running as if the financials are exploding. That disconnect is a major red flag. Everyone is buying AMD for one reason: AI. People think AMD is the next NVIDIA. They see headlines, partnerships, and flashy chip names like MI300. But most of the hype is based on future potential, not actual adoption today. And here's the truth: AMD is not close to NVIDIA in AI. Not in hardware, not in software, and not in market share. NVIDIA owns almost the entire AI GPU market. AMD's chips are being tested, not adopted at scale. The hype isn't matching reality. There are major risks people are flat out ignoring. NVIDIA controls nearly all of the AI market. Big tech companies are building their own chips. And AMD depends heavily on hyperscalers whose demand can swing massively. If anything goes wrong, AMD has no cushion. The downside could be ugly. AMD's valuation is one of the biggest warning signs. The stock is priced like perfect growth is guaranteed, but the earnings don't justify this price. Not yet. When a stock is priced for perfection, even a tiny disappointment can cause a massive drop. AMD isn't just fighting NVIDIA. They're fighting Intel, Google, Amazon, Meta, Qualcomm, and Apple, all at once. The competition is brutal, and everyone is racing to build cheaper and faster AI chips. AMD is caught in the middle. Here are the realistic scenarios. The bull case? Sure, the stock could go higher if AI demand surprises, but the base case is flat. And the bear case, which is becoming more likely, is a 15 to 35% drop if AMD misses expectations or if AI demand cools. Right now, the risk outweighs the reward. Here's the bottom line. AMD is a great company, but that doesn't mean it's a great buy today. The stock is overhyped, overpriced, and overexpected. If you're thinking about buying, the smartest move is to wait. Let the hype cool off, then look for a safer entry point.